Welcome to this Introduction to NLP course. This course has been designed to give you an introduction to NLP and some of the techniques that are taught during the live training. The aim of this training is twofold. Firstly, to give you some tools to create and achieve more of the results that you want in life. And secondly, to assist you in deciding if taking the live training with Coaching with NLP is the right decision for you. You'll be able to watch this training as a set of videos, or be able to download simply just the audios so that you can listen to them at any time and a place that suits you best. NLP and coaching is and certainly can be a very rewarding profession, both financially and more importantly emotionally. To assist your client in achieving their goals regardless of the context gives one a sense of accomplishment, and it's an honor to be involved in another person's journey. Not only do you get the opportunity to have a positive impact on somebody else's journey, but you also have the ability to create massive positive change in your own life. During the full live training, you will learn many additional techniques to work with people from all walks of life, as well as personally dealing with some of those things that may have held you back in the past. The focus is on moving forward, and yet we know that in order to move forward, we may sometimes need to let go of some of those things of our past. That's where techniques taught in timeline therapy is especially useful, to let go of limiting decisions, limiting beliefs, anxiety, phobias, fears, and other negative emotions. This will help you to stop simply being a passenger, be in charge of your own life, and create the life that you want and deserve. Hi, my name is Wayne Farrell. I'm the owner of Coaching with NLP and an international trainer of NLP, coaching, timeline therapy, hypnosis, speed reading, and a number of other personal development courses. I'm passionate about personal development and helping you to achieve your fullest potential. I welcome you with open arms and will guide you through this training. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any point in time. All of us at Coaching with NLP are committed to do everything that we can to make sure that your learning is the best that it possibly can be. So sit back and let's go ahead and look at the rest of this training.